Oh. You almost caught it on the bounce. Almost. You don't want to bounce. Oh. Uh-oh. You're too close. Back up a little bit. There you go. Okay, ready?
She wants the line.
Oh. And play football.
Is that a shoe?
Yes, it's shoe.
Back up.
Back up. Okay, right there. Ready? I don't know. Are you watching? Oh, come on. You're too far back.
Yeah, Grandma can't throw it that far.
I can, but I want to bounce it off her nose like I did the last time. Come here. Throw it. Okay, ready? Good job. Yay. Get it. Up. Get it. Get over there. Over there. Okay, turn around. You're too far. Ready? Good job. Okay. Ready? Yeah. Oh, almost. Just kick my hand. Say sorry. Kiss it. Kiss it. Kiss it. No scream. You're welcome. No, you're supposed to catch it after the first bounce. First bounce. Good job. Ready? Yay. Oh. Oops, didn't bounce it high enough. Sorry. My bad. My bad.